All right, guys, you can see right over here, I've generated $576.80 on this particular CPA account. But that's not what I'm going to be showing you guys right over in this video. What I'm going to be doing in this video is to show you exactly how I'm able to determine whether a CPA offer will convert or not. I'm going to show you the techniques, the strategies that I implement in order for me to verify any CPA offer to know whether it's going to convert or not. But before I will proceed to show you that, I'm going to reload this page so I can be able to see my earning is active. So if I reload this page right over here, basically you can see the amount is there. If I come up here and reload the page as well, you can see that the amount is there. So this is to tell you that, okay, the strategy that I'm going to show you is working effectively. So make sure you stay with me to the end of this video and do not skip any part. In case if you have any question, feel free to go ahead and ask your question, and I'm going to be in the comment section to answer all your questions. If you want to join my one-on-one mentorship training course on CPA marketing, where I will hold you by hand and walk you through the entire process so you can be able to start generating funds with your CPA network, go ahead and connect with me through WhatsApp, okay? Just check the video description. You're going to see all the links that you're going to be clicking in order for you to go ahead and join the program, okay? Or you connect with me directly on WhatsApp. Okay, so basically, the first thing you need to do is when you have created your CPA account, you are going to definitely log into your dashboard. And when you log into your dashboard, you're going to see all these options: monetization tools, offer tools, payback, postback tools, referral program, payment center, and so on. Now, if your account is newly created and you have not received any payment before, basically you are going to see a yellow icon on your account payment center. So if you have started receiving payment from your CPA grip account, basically you're going to see that the yellow icon will be removed because you have updated your bank account, either dollar account or you have updated with your PayPal account. So then you are going to be able to go ahead and pick offers that you are going to promote. The major challenge that we most times will face is that when you pick any offer like this and you go ahead and start sending traffic to that particular offer, it may not convert. You may waste a lot of time sending traffic to that particular offer. Okay, but if you go ahead and verify this particular offer, is it going to convert? Human may not be able to determine that manually. But if you go ahead and use a system, okay, an AI system that will tell you, determine this entire analytics to tell you whether this particular offer will convert or not. And that is exactly what I'm going to reveal in this video. So the first thing you're going to do is to come right over down here. And then when you come down here, you're going to see we have top performing offers. We have recently added offers. Let's pay attention to these top performing offers. In the payout section, you're basically going to see that we have options that the payout is listed. This one is $2.73. This one is $2.90, $1. So whenever you pick any of these offer, like for example, you pick this one, what are you going to do to know whether this offer will convert or not? That is exactly what we are going to check right now. You need to check if this offer will convert so that you will not be wasting your time sending the traffic that you are going to be generating to this offer, and at the end of the day, the offer will not convert. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is, let me come up here. So currently I am in the offer tools. Now in this offer tools, I'm going to come over here and click on this offer. And if I click on this offer, you're going to see now that it pull out the offer itself. Now that it pull out the offer itself, the first thing I need to do, now that the offer has pulled out, now I'm going to go ahead and bring out my screenshot shutter. Okay, in your own phone, you can basically go ahead and use any screenshot application you want, okay? Or you can just use your screenshot directly from your phone. But in my PC, I have this particular screenshot application that I'm using. So what I'm going to do now is to reduce this page. And you can see that I've already taken the screenshot. So since I've taken the screenshot, I have the offer landing page screenshot. I have the detail of the offer. Then I'm going to now go ahead and save this image somewhere. After saving this image somewhere, now I'm going to go back to an AI tool like Google AI Studio, okay, where I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can use prompt to analyze this image and also detect whether this offer is visible to convert or not. So what I'm going to do is to come down right over here on the link of the offer. So I will copy the link over here, and then I will now go back to an AI writing tool. You can use any one of it for yourself, and we're going to come over here and create a new chart. Okay, now if I create a new chart, I'm going to come over here, and first thing I'm going to do is to paste the link of the offer I copied. And then I'm going to come over to the screenshot I screenshotted, and I click on copy the image, and I'm going to also come here and paste the image. So you're going to see that the image will be updated here. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go and grab the prompt that I'm going to be giving to this AI to analyze this offer. Tell me if this offer will convert or not. All right, guys. So here I have the prompt. So I'm going to copy the section that I want. Over here, I'm going to copy just only here. And after copying this, I will come over here and I'll paste the prompt like this. Remember, I have the link there. And then the next thing I'm going to do is to come back also to the notepad, and I'm going to look at the requirement of this prompt. Okay. So I'm going to come down here. I'm going to copy this section right over here, and I'll copy this and bring it back to this place. After the link, I'll go ahead and paste it. So now I'm going to come over to the link, and I'll say, here is my CPA offer link. Okay. And then I'll put column. Now this is the CPA offer link itself. All right. Then the next thing I'm going to do is the primary audience. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to determine the audience on PC, because I know the offer is for PC devices, and they are on Facebook. So let's take on viewers on Facebook. Okay, Facebook groups. All right. So now that I've defined the primary source of the audience, okay, and the primary audience are United States. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and select the pro version, and I'm going to click on proceed right now. So after this, you're going to now see that this AI is going to tell us if this offer has the potential of converting or not, so that we will not waste our time generating traffic, building audience for this particular offer, and at the end of the day, it will not convert. So if it's not going to convert, it will tell us. If it's going to convert, it's also going to tell us. So this offer has a very high probability of converting for a specific traffic profile, but there is one major structural hurdle. So that means there is an issue you must address before running it. Okay, here is a breakdown of alignment and red flag, okay, to watch out. Now, what are the issues? The alignment, why it is strong match. Geo-targeting perfectly match. Okay, device targeting perfectly match. Low friction, conversion type. And then crucial red flag for this particular offer, and failure in case if it will not convert. The tracking domain we have for this particular versus Facebook. Okay. So now this is where you now know the reason why you have what you need to avoid when promoting any CPA offer. All right. So what you need to avoid when you are promoting any CPA offer are listed below this analysis. Okay. The first one is tracking domain. As you can see, this particular tracking domain is usually in almost all the CPA offer you want to promote. But changing or selecting unique tracking domain in your CPA group can also help. So in case if you are sending your link to any social media platform. And then if you come to the second one, you need to also make sure that you avoid anything that has to do with this option 2. Okay. Then option 3, a new domain status, which is also synonymous to this particular domain. Then all right. So these are basic things that you need to avoid when you are promoting your CPA offer on any traffic platforms like Facebook group, WhatsApp, and so on. Now, the verdict, according to the analytics right over here, the verdict say keep it but alter the execution. What are the execution to alter when you are promoting any CPA offer? Do not drop this offer. Okay, that means this offer is acceptable to be promoted because it will convert if you do it the right way. Okay, the first thing you need to do in order to make sure that you do it the right way, the first one is build a bridge page or landing page. You must use a landing page or bridge page via platform like Google Sites, system.io, or maybe cards. Okay, but I usually use Google Site, which I will explain to you right now. Then the second option, the flow, Facebook post, link to your bridge page, not your CPA offer. So you can see that most of the things I do usually advise you guys on this channel is also listed by this AI. So when I do landing page building, creating a bridge page to protect yourself, maybe some of you guys think that maybe we are just doing that, but it's very crucial. Okay, then when you do this keeps your Facebook groups happy because they are scanning your clean landing page, not the URL of the offer you want to promote. Most of the offers out there are already not good links. Okay, so but your landing page will usually be a good link. All right, so in this video I'm going to go ahead and show you how to create a landing page. All right, so let me show you how to create a landing page. Now what you need to do is to come to Google Site, and once you are on Google Site, it's pretty simple. You can do this with your mobile phone or your PC. Now, if you come over to Google Site by clicking on the big plus, it will take you right to this environment. So very simple. Just put different captions, okay? Like this one, I can see click 1, click 2, click 3. And inside each of these captions, we're going to go ahead and embed the links that we're going to be promoting from CPA network. So remember that this method is applicable to every single CPA network out there. So wherever you know you are getting your CPA offer from, basically not CPA grip, you can go ahead and grab those CPA offers and apply each of the links right here. And once someone clicks on the link, then you are going to get paid a commission, right? So you don't need to make the landing page look much more attractive because people are not interested in how attractive the landing page is right now. What they're interested in is what is the value they are going to get at the end of the day. So people are looking for the value they want to get, not what you will get at the end of the day. So if you are able to give value in your landing page and people are eager to click on your link, then you're going to be good to get paid a commission from CPA network. After that, you're going to publish the link and you get a unique URL for the landing page, and you can now go ahead and start promoting your CPA offer. All right, guys. So now that you have seen how to promote your CPA offer, to confirm the offer is valid or not, now you want to start working. Let me say a setback, because so many people have been trying this over and over again and they are not getting result. This is the major problem a lot of people are facing. You try this, you try it every single day, you are not getting result. Or if you get result, it's just a penny, right? Just little. It's not enough for you to cater for your expenses. This is something you can do to actually keep your daily life activity going. You can be making enough money from CPA network if you are actually doing the right thing. But right now, no matter the effort you put, you have posted in this website, you have posted in this website, nothing is working, right? You cannot even generate a little amount of money just like this you are seeing on the screen. Just ordinary $500, you cannot even generate. In even a month, you cannot pull it out. That is because it is so frustrating, so devastating, and the process is So much that you are putting enough effort, but you are not getting results. This is the reason why I have decided that, okay, let me design a custom direct traffic system that will help you to actually facilitate and push this process faster so you can be able to make money with CPA market. So instead of stressing yourself out and spending hours struggling to hunt down the right audience, my system streamlines the whole process so you can route out the right traffic directly to your CPA offer much faster. Of course, if you want to understand the exact step by step process of how to drive this direct traffic, and if you want to get access to the masterclass where I would sit down with you one on one, okay, hold you by hands and walk you through the entire setup, then go ahead and hit the link below this video in the video description and connect with me through WhatsApp. DM me if you want, and I'm going to respond to you directly. My WhatsApp number will be in the video description. If you enjoyed this video, give it a super thumbs up. Make sure you like the video and turn on the bell icon so that you get notified once a new video is published. This is Macro Hustle TV. I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.